In this video, I'm going to show you how to put eyeliner on rounded hooded eyes. I don't know about you, but with wing eyeliner, I feel like I don't have to put on tons of eyeshadow. There are different kinds of eyeliner looks out there, but I refrain from putting it on my bottom lash line because as shown here, it looks so harsh on me. I also avoid making the line stick on the upper side because that can make my eyes even bigger. I feel like I always say this in my videos. Well, anyways, so I'll just do my normal eyeliner look. With this, I can wear it with natural lip color, bright purple, red, or even crazy lip colors like blue or green. Here are some reasons why I stick to the gel type. Liquid liners are not the fastest to dry because the formula is liquidy, but it applies easily, but it spreads easily as well. So I don't trust this because just when I thought that it has dried down already is when my lids touch the hood, and that is where the misery begins. Retractable pencil liners are hard to manage because this cannot be sharpened and you need a sharp eyeliner to make fine lines, and you can't achieve that with this one. This is a liquid type with a round tip. I got this one because I was curious, but actually it doesn't do anything to me. Well, it can make a thick line, but I don't need that. So a no-no. Another kind is with a felt tip with a very fine felt tip, but that one also dries fast, so no. Pencil liner is my least favorite out of all because this brand particularly makes raccoon eyes at the end of the day, no matter how smudged the liner already is, so Now with the gel type, I use a small synthetic angled brush. The MAC 208 is a very good one, but if you want the cheaper version, the Essence eyeliner brush is as good as well. These make the thinnest line possible. Just make sure to put the lid back on every after use to avoid the gel to dry out. You can also store it upside down so it'll push the lid on and so air won't go in that much. I also make sure that the brush is free of any makeup residue, otherwise it won't draw any line, just like so. Just a quick tip, if you get lazy and you don't want to wash your brush with water and soap, clean it with oil and remove products as much as possible. Then dry it out with a cotton. You can also press the bristles like this, press it together, and that will help make a beautiful, nice, crisp, dark line. Just like this. Alright, so now on to the application. First, I make a line from the middle part and I extend it outwards to shape the wing. Then, make a line starting from the inner third and meet the line that you made earlier. That creates a seamless look. Then I extend the lower outer corner to meet the upper line. Then, shade the blank part. Some may want to skip tight lining, but I always do this because I don't like flesh peeking through. But the tendency is it can make a stark line. So if you see the lines being cut from the inner third, just like this, see the black looks so stark, so I need to fix that by making another line from the inner third. I avoid applying eyeliner on my inner, like the very inner corner, because that look is not good on me. Alright, so I think that should do it. Do that on the other side until you get the desired look. I'm so notorious in making uneven eyeliner, so I keep adjusting the shorter one and make it longer until they look almost the same. I have another video coming up where I recreate a Facebook filter look. So don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell so you won't miss my future video. I also like the music on this one, so I hope you enjoy that as well. I will put the link where I got it so you can check it out too. So enjoy the rest of the video. Just for fun. This is really vibrant. I have this one for a long time already, and it doesn't smell bad yet, so I don't want to throw it out. Alright. Oh no, it's okay, it's big. It's caked. It's from Rewell. Nakaganon ako eh.